All right, Zoho just dropped some big news for Sheet users. Let's get right into it. You know that feeling, right? Your internet cuts out and suddenly your most important work is frozen.
Well, Zoho just released the beta you've been asking for. It works online and offline.
And the biggest deal here? True offline capability. You can literally work from anywhere now.
It handles all the standard formats, so you can work locally and save right to your device. And get this, no more mandatory sign-ins. You can finally work on local files without logging in.
Plus, your local and cloud files are all in one unified list now. So much simpler.
This makes your workflow so smooth. Just launch the app, work offline, and sync when you want.
Being a native app, it's just faster. Think quicker load times and all your favorite shortcuts.
And the power you get is incredible. We're talking over 400 built-in functions at your fingertips.
You also get those core features you love, like data cleaning, charts, and even the Zia AI.
Early users are loving it. They're saying it's the offline option they've been waiting for.
So, want to try it? The beta is ready for you to download on macOS and Windows right now.
And since it's a beta, Zoho really wants your feedback to make the final version even better.
So this isn't just an update, it's really a whole new way to think about your work.